Okay, so here we are. Here's my July Lollipop Box Club kit, and I'm very excited to open it up and see what we got inside. Nice and pink. It's called Domestic Goddess, this one. Lots of pretties. Okay, let's take a look. We got a pink polka dot pen. Oh, it's a pink pen. Oh, let me do a little doodle. Pink pen. Fun. Cupcake paper clip. So sweet. So I got here some little fabric paper clips. Oh, I love these. Look at these little stamps. They're so cute. Obviously really good for planners. Little telephone. Oh, those are cute. Oh, I love the little cup. Oh, can't wait to use them on a scrapbook page or something. We've got a washi tape. Triangles. Okay, this is the DIY kit. Let's see what's on the DIY. DIY pretty wooden pegs. Use wooden pegs for all kinds of things around the house. My favourite thing to use them for is sealing up food bags in the cupboard. You can usually use them on the planner or to attach memo notes to your fridge or desk. See the blog for more details. Cool. Okay, treats bag. Let's see what we got in here. I love the stripe of that. One of my favourite things in these kits is the bags. They're so pretty. And then the treats. Isn't it, all the little bits and pieces at the bottom. Okay, got a couple of doilies. Very domestic goddessy. Or a nice navy ribbon. Kind of 1940s-ish, I think that is. We got a house-shaped paper clip. Flowers. What's for dinner? Happy day. Cupcakes. Home sweet home. Dinner time. Our home. And this is bliss. Nice little collection of phrases. Weekly schedule. Today's chores. Okay, we've also got a little, how cute is this, a little teapot on a little clip, charm. See if I can get a good focus on this. It says tea time on it, can you see that? That's so cute. Nice heart-shaped lollipop this month. Okay, we've got some little wooden houses and other bits in here. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, cute house. Cute house. Just some other little die cuts. Love those. Okay, here's my Happy Scatter stencil for this month. So I cut all these on home, and been finding these little flower petals all over my town where I've been stuck on my shoes, and I've transported them around my town, so that's been fun. It's just a lovely little daisy pattern stencil. I have some fun with that. Got a book ring. What have we got in here? This is the mystery gift. I would say look away now, but I think everybody's had their mystery gift by now. Open, that's really lovely. It says Home Sweet Home. I definitely can see me downloading that and printing it A4 size to put on my wall. Okay, just a few bits left. We've got these printables on a postcard. Got some gold sheets and some planner pages. Shopping list, awesome. Some lovely little planner stickers. I just like using these on scrapbook pages as well because I don't really do planning that much yet. And some papers. Oh, I like these. And I love this one. This is my colour. I love this colour. It's my favourite colour. So pretty. Oh, this one's kind of shiny. It's got a pearlescent effect. So, oh, it's got a colour on the back. Oh, another one that colour. Hearts on this side and a pinky colour on the other side. So loads and loads of goodies. I can't wait to make some bits and pieces with the July kit from Lollipop Box Club. Thank you for watching.